singer walks. Hi, I'm Ray Williams. Roots band Raging Fire billed to perform at Reggae Sumfest, but having to withdraw due to the decision by Judgment Day singer Kumar to quit the group. Money differences a factor in him going solo.
Raging Fire and their lead singer Kumar in better days, but the 29-year-old has quit the band. Kumar citing differences over money and musical direction as the main reasons for leaving the group.
We weren't agreeing on a lot of things. One, lack of transparency. Two, mismanagement, and three, basically, I wanted a new page, my health was at risk. So 3 things that really made me decide to move on and just try and have a little bit more control over my being,
Transparency in terms of how money was divvied up?
In terms of just how the business is being run. There's no transparency, and I couldn't do it anymore without actually knowing exactly what I'm working for, and how all the contracts that we've signed and everything that we've done, all the work, So right now it's really, cry me a river, build a bridge, and let's move on,
So you'd go on tour, you'd play a gig, and you weren't...
I mean, we get paid, but at the end of the day, we have systems in place to invest, the money in terms of, in the other tours that are not going to be as successful. So there's ways to do it, but there has to be proper accountability, for these funds and for, everybody to be happy, and priority has to be placed on what gets spent on here, when, what, So it's really all of these different things. For me, maybe everybody else is okay, maybe everybody else has an understanding, but personally, I don't.
Kumar, not a founding member, but with the band since 2010. 3 albums followed, including Judgment Day, featuring the single of the same name, perhaps Raging Fire's best-known song. Raging Fire's last album, 2016's Everlasting, was nominated for a Grammy Award. As a solo act, Kumar aiming at prioritizing his own songs.
Woke up with my vision this morning. I was writing a lot of songs that weren't roots rocking reggae music based every time. I was trying to mix, a lot of the, genres into, actually one genre where we could, be comfortable singing a country song, be comfortable singing, whatever kind of music we want to make, So that wasn't a major problem within the band, but at the pace we were moving in terms of what gets selected, I don't think, it would have, a lot of my songs would have been, used up. Remember, you reap what you sow. Investing in myself, right now, is actually a good thing for my health as well, for my mental space. Saturday was my son's birthday, and over the years is actually the first time in 4 years I've been home to celebrate. And I was more excited than Malachi, for his birthday. So I give thanks for the small blessings, the simple things. And Raging Fire, the band continues. They're on tour, them have a singer, them sing the songs, and Kumar, will continue, and I've been getting a lot of calls for performances as I am able to still perform these songs as a songwriter. I'm just trying to, get my head straight, get a team together, and just step out there with my best foot because I know I got it.
How different is Kumar going to be from Raging Fire?
Kumar has a spark, Kumar has a fire, so at the end of the day, I'll still be playing my guitar on stage and, roots rocking same way, but a lot of more acoustic, probably piano stuff, as I'm a piano player as well. So there's just more intimate vibes as well in terms of performances. I really like to be close, to the people.
So the departure from Raging Fire is about Kumar spreading his wings and going in different directions?
Yes, and also, internal disagreements and, structural problems in terms of management.
What really is at the heart of those disagreements, those things where people are not on the same page? What really
it takes a lot of work to make something successful, teamwork. Everybody on the team have to be pushing their own weight, including the additional members that we're going to hire to come and work. So it's a lot of, I would say, not working together and putting out, all the energy that is needed to make sure that we don't, go on tour for 6 months or to a year and come home with no money.
How much was it about money?
About 60%. you know, and in an organization, you know, we have to actually, you know, work together and, you know, get monthly statements and reports and just try and make sure that we do proper business. So maybe now that I've left, you know.
Well, didn't you have a management team?
Yeah, we had a management team, but at the end of the day, it became kind of distant.
Send me the pillow that you dream on.
Kumar's current solo output includes a Notice Records production featuring him and Jesse Royal, Send Me the Pillow That You Dream On.
But I still sing reggae, roots rocking reggae music. That's what people know me for. Whoever knows me already, that's what they expect. So I'm still gonna have to feed that market, you know. But at the end of the day, you know, the new people who are just gonna find out about Kumar, you're gonna really love what's coming.
And stand firm.